Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to today's session of online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Let us move to today's session. So, children, we saw how the profits are ascertained or determined in single entry system. With the help of that format, we can we can come to know about the profit of a business. But in some problems, the capital at the beginning or capital at the end amount may be missing. So in that case, we have to prepare a statement of affairs. In one of the slide, we saw what is statement of affairs. As we prepare balance sheet in final account of a sole proprietorship, the same way statement of affairs is prepared in single entry system, which is a statement of assets and liability of the business. The difference between assets and liability is the capital. So with that logic, we can find out the capital at the beginning or capital at the end of that particular business. Let us do a problem for a clear understanding of this concept. This problem is taken from your textbook, page number 20.39, question number 7. Krishan started his business on 1st April 2018 with a capital of rupees 1 lakh. So here is a businessman who have started a business on 1st April 2018. His capital invested is 1 lakh. On 31st March 2019, his assets were. So on the financial year, end of the financial year, when he saw the assets, when the list of assets given to you is cash, stock, debtors and plant. And some more information is given, that is he owed rupees 12,000 to sundry creditors and 10,000 rupees to his brother on that date. So this particular businessman is supposed to pay an amount of 12,000 to his creditors, and he is also liable to pay 10,000 to his brother. It is like loan taken from his brother. Then an information given to you is about he have withdrew rupees 2,000 per month for his personal use. You know that amount withdrawn for personal use means drawing. So there was a drawing and the amount given to you is 2,000, that is per month. But you have to calculate for 1 year what is the amount. So 2000 into 12, that means 24,000 is the drawing made during that financial year. Okay, for 1 year 24,000 is the amount of drawing. Ascertain his profit. So we are asked to calculate the profit of the businessman. We know that to find out the profit, what are we supposed to prepare? A statement of profit or loss for the year ended. What is the year ended of this business? It is for 31st March 2019 that we have to find out his profit. So we know that we have to prepare a box in which particulars and amount column will be there, and that format. What is the format? Do you remember? Capital at the end. That is missing. Okay, we are given capital at the beginning, that is 1st April 2018 capital is given, but in question nowhere it is mentioned about capital at the end, that is 31st March 2019 capital is not provided to you. So we are supposed to find out that capital. And what else is given? Drawing amount is given. So we know that 2000 into 12, it's 24,000. That drawing amount we have with us. Then we have capital in the beginning, it is given 1 lakh, so that information is given to us. Additional capital is not mentioned anywhere in the question. So this is the format of statement of profit and loss account. You are supposed to find profit of the business during the year. To find the profit of the business, this amount is very essential, that is capital at the end as well as capital at the beginning is very much important. Capital at the beginning is given to you, but capital at the end is not provided. So that we have to find out. Okay, so what we have to do next? Next, you are supposed to prepare a statement of affairs as at 31st March 2019. So when you prepare statement of affairs, that is, it's like a balance sheet of this business on 31st March 2019 you have to prepare. From when we prepare this statement of affairs, you have to put the item given in the question as per assets and liability. You can see these are the assets given to you. Cash, you can write here cash 3,200, whatever is given in the question. Stock value is 34,800, that I can write in the asset side 34,800. Debtors we have 31,000, we can write it over here. Then plant we have 85,000, that we can write it over here. Then we are given sundry creditors, that is 12,000. Liability side, creditors means our liability, so 12,000, and 10,000 loan taken from his brother, so brother's loan 10,000. Now when you close this statement, you know that asset should be equal to liability, but when we make total of this side, we found that our liability side was short by 1,32,000. So what is that amount? It is our capital. It is the capital amount. We got that capital with the balance figure. Okay, when we close asset side and we close liability side, we found that liability side is short by 1,32,000. so you balance this figure, so that is your capital at the end. The end means 31st March 2019 is your balance sheet you have prepared, and from that you calculated the capital. This amount you can put over here. So your statement of profit and loss account will look like this. Capital at the end 1,32,000. You have calculated that capital and you got that amount. Now you can put this 1,32,000 over here. Drawing amount, we already discussed about that. 2,000 into 12, you got 24,000. Adding these two amount, you will get 1,56,000, that is adjusted capital at the end, and subtract capital in the beginning. It is given in the question 1 lakh. Then profit made during the year, so 1,50,000 minus 1 lakh, you will get 56,000, that is the profit made during the year. Okay, so this is how you have to do the problem related to calculation of profit in single entry system. So children, let us conclude today's class. In today's class we saw single entry system, which is also known as accounts from incomplete record. Then we saw features of single entry system, and we discussed about statement of affairs method. We did some problem related to this. Hope you have understood the class. Do practice some more problems, attend the test paper attached, and write down the notes in your accountancy notebook. Meet you in the next class with a new concept. Till then, goodbye. See you.